Hello everyone, this is Julian from Ken & Coffee, and today we have a really neat Zacconi espresso grinder here with us in the shop. This is a conical burr type of grinder, made in Italy, of course. Zacconi being kind of like a really small made-to-order type of espresso machine. Really cool machines, lever machines. And this grinder head came in just for a general overall fix to the machine. What that means is that we took off the whole burr chamber. As you can see, there's this hopper which detaches from this burr holder and a step adjustment. And so after this is removed, you twist that off and you have a burr that's built into this that you have to hammer out, and then you have a conical burr at the bottom. So what we did, we opened the whole thing up, cleaned out the whole chamber, even the clog up that was at the spout, and replaced the burr set. So this is that first burr set. As you can see, this is a very, very old grinder with how these burrs look. Really beat up, and some of the actual plastic trimming that was on this step adjustment is kind of built into the burr, which is not normal. That's just because of wear and tear and old, and a lot of it was coffee oils too, acidic reaction and stuff like that. And so yeah, we replaced this top burr, which was really bad, and also replaced this bottom burr, which you can see here is probably the same when it comes to worseness, and it just got really dull over the years. And so we replaced them with a new set and cleaned out that burr chamber, and now it's running really well actually. And so we are going to test the grind. We're going to use this little blue bucket just to catch it, and then I did adjust it to more of a espresso grind, which is pretty fine. We're really just wanting to test the fineness because the coarseness is kind of easy to do even with dull burrs, but you really, to test your grind out, you really want to go to a fine level and see if you can pull espresso, which, as you can see here, very, very, very powdery coffee. And you could probably still keep going with it, and you would be fine. But this is a nice, very, very nice espresso blend just from replacing the burr set, which usually most grinders just need to replace burr sets to get back to this type of grind. And yeah, that's about it for this grinder. If you like this repair or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.